Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make CapCut edit. I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything with editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily or setting it just for fun. So after we downloaded the CapCut app, just open and you can click or tap new project and select your videos or photos or audios that you want to edit. Just click add in the bottom. So you can check out the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar picture here. You can also split the clip, just for the speed, add the animation, add the style, delete the clip, just for the volume. And you can edit text, stickers, overlay, effect, filters. You can change for the aspect ratio and change the background. And you can also remove the background by cut out option here. So and many more you can getting from CapCut. So after you finish the editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. So just click exporting. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks button or appreciate. Bye bye.